This is a kitchen, a fitted kitchen that I designed and made in 1978, and it's now 2019, which means the kitchen, a modern kitchen in its time, is still in service. What? That's impossible. We live in a throwaway culture dictated by fashion. Well, my name is Jeremy Broun, and this fitted kitchen is typical of the work I made for several decades. The bread and butter work that paid for my really innovative furniture designs. Now recently I made a video of a repair I did to a clock design that I made in 1973, so that had lasted quite a while as well. So this very short video shows a repair I did to this 40-year-old kitchen that I made. In fact, over the years the only repairs have been replacing a couple of self-closing hinges. Now in this time it's survived a marriage, not mine, but the kitchen was made for a friend of mine, and it survived their two kids. Well, the front of the drawer had come off, so I took it back to my workshop. I sanded it flat and got rid of a bit of gunge because somebody else had done a rather bodge up repair. And then I used an epoxy glue to bond the front piece back on. Okay, it's a bit of a time warp, the design, but just look at the grain, the figure. This is probably a Russian red deal, but much denser and more figurative than softwoods that are available today, and that of course are fast growing. Okay, job done, and who knows, it might last another 40 years with a bit of tender, loving care. Well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and press the notifications button. I think there is one somewhere, if you'd like to keep in touch with my latest videos.